Hello friends, day 133, and I did enjoy last night's campsite. I saw the moon rising behind the trees, I saw a meteor and a lovely sunset which I recorded for you. And this morning when I got up, there was a deer standing about 30 feet away. I met Tim and Shirley today on the Macmillan Way, and they were out exercising horses, and we had a lovely long chat. I wish I'd had time to interview Tim, but they were on their horses standing in the middle of the road. It didn't seem really the right place. This evening I've come to see my friend Sarah, aka Fanny of Fanny's Meadow, and I'm staying at her place this evening, and much to my surprise my friend Sue has come over to Langport to see me as well. So 2 for the price of 1. Let's have a look at where I've been today, and I'll see you on the trail.
Hello Chris. Well, I thought I'd surprise you, and I've popped over to Langport to come and bring you some emergency chocolate rations and peanuts and things like that. He even had to buy you an ice cream. It's such a shame that you're so addicted to it. Anyway, you've come to see your other friends Sarah and co here at Langport and staying, and it's been nice to see just how you're doing. Lost a lot of weight, but still going really strong, and it's very impressive. Or as the young man on the radio yesterday at Radio Somerset said, madness. So take care of yourself, have a good journey, and wish you all the best for the rest of the mileage.
Well, welcome back to the house in Langport. You were last here on, I think, April the 14th, and on your way striding up to John O'Groats, and here you are on your way back again. It is now the 13th of August, we think, although we're not quite sure. Sadly, Chris didn't quite make it back for Fanny's Meadow, and was very sadly missed, because he always takes fantastic photographs of the festival, and joined us about 8 years ago when we were doing Fanny's Parlours in a crookedy-wookedy old house I was living in Martock. And Chris has the most fantastic archive of pretty much my family's development and growth, but also the growth of Fanny Hat Stand to our festival now in our new field. We're just about a week out of the field, so we're very squishy and tired and all worded out really, and I was just very happy that Chris wanted to stop in on the way back. He stayed in the tree house on the way to John O'Groats, and that's now occupied by lots of helpers from the festival. And so he is now in a tent which isn't his, so he's got an upgrade from the tiny shelter to a almost large shelter with a proper mattress in tonight. And we're very excited to see the end of the journey, so he can rest his poor little feet.